Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing face pack using potato juice. We all know that potato has amazing skin lightening properties and it helps lighten scars and blemishes very well. I have tried many face treatments with potato and it never fails to amaze me as it gives instant results each time. This treatment is also no exception. You'll feel instant glow on your skin immediately after using this pack. Regular use also will help lighten scars and blemishes. What makes this pack even more special is the addition of masoor dal, also called as red lentils in English. Masoor dal is a wonder ingredient for skincare as it helps polish the skin effectively, thus brightening a skin tone. I make my own masoor dal powder at home. To make masoor dal powder, sun-dry masoor dal under hot sunlight for a day or two, and then while it is still crisp from sun-drying, take it in a dry mixer and then powder very finely. Sieve and then store in an airtight box. This powder will last well for 2 weeks or more if kept away from moisture. In my opinion, this is an instant skin glow pack. If you're pressed for time and are looking for a quick solution to brighten your dull skin, then this face pack is the best answer. If you have already made the masoor dal powder, it will just take 5 minutes to make the pack. Do give it a try. To make potato juice, take a large potato, peel the outer skin, cut into pieces and take the pieces in a mixer. Now grind without adding any water. Once ground well, press with a spoon to extract the juice completely. Potato juice discolors fast, so use it immediately. But if you want to store the juice, you can freeze it immediately and use it whenever necessary. For the pack, take 1 tablespoon of finely ground masoor dal powder in a cup. Now add in few drops of lemon juice to it. If you have very sensitive skin, you can skip or reduce the amount of lemon juice to a drop or 2. Now add in half teaspoon of pure unprocessed raw honey. Finally, add in enough of the prepared potato juice to form a spreadable paste. Now mix well with a spoon. Mix well till there are no lumps and you get a smooth paste. To use, take the paste and apply it all over the face and neck. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off. This pack will give an instant glow to the skin. The one thing we have to remember with this pack is after grinding masoor dal, make sure to sieve it once so you get a smooth powder. This pack can be used by all skin types as it does not make the skin oily, nor does it make the skin dry. You can use this pack weekly twice regularly. Give this pack a try once and you'll continue using it all your life. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.